The Imagebon H60 Pro is a cutting-edge 11.3-inch dash cam that blends smart driving technology with high-resolution recording and rich entertainment features. With its ultra-wide IPS touchscreen and a 4K front camera that rotates 180 degrees, it provides superior visibility and coverage on the road. The camera captures crisp 3840x2160p video with 8-megapixel quality, ensuring that license plates, traffic signs, and small road details are clearly recorded, even at night thanks to its high-performance night vision system. What sets this device apart is its integration of ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. These include lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and a front vehicle start reminder, all of which use voice alerts to increase driving safety. These features are optimized when using the GPS antenna, which also enables full GPS tracking for speed, route, and location logging during playback. For recording efficiency, the H60 Pro supports H.265 encoding, which compresses footage without sacrificing image quality, allowing more video to be stored with less space. Loop and time-lapse recording ensure key moments are never missed, while unneeded files are automatically overwritten. Whether recording long trips or everyday drives, it delivers smart storage solutions. The device supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone for navigation, calls, messages, and music, all hands-free. It even supports Siri Voice Assistant for safer, more convenient driving. You can also mirror your phone screen through AirPlay or Android wireless mirroring, great for watching videos or using apps during rest stops. Thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi, 5.8 GHz plus 2.4 GHz, users enjoy faster and smoother video transfers between the dash cam and their phone. High-fidelity audio output is supported via Bluetooth, FM transmission, or AUX cable, included, so your recordings and media can be enjoyed with clear sound directly through your car's speakers. A high-definition reversing camera is also available, in specific versions, automatically activating when the car is put in reverse, providing a clear view of the rear, even in challenging weather conditions. Installation is impressively easy. The H60 Pro mounts directly on the dashboard, requires no wiring into the fuse box, and is powered via the car's cigarette socket. It's user-friendly and fully operational within minutes. No professional help needed. With its robust recording capabilities, ADAS safety features, wireless integration, and entertainment tools, the Imagebon H60 Pro is more than a dash cam. It's a complete smart driving companion.